Hello YouTubers, we have 2020 Chevy Traverse Rex and we will replace cabin air filter. So we will get to the glove box, remove all the content from the glove box since it will most likely fall. Next we will pull out this dampener and then we just squeeze both sides of the glove box so it drops. We can put it aside for now, so we have more room to work with. Right, so next, normally there is a T20 Torx just behind there. This one hasn't been installed, and honestly, I don't blame them. It's just behind this plastic cover, so if you're planning to maintain your filter, I would probably just cut a little hole over here so you have a clear access. Ours is already removed, so we will push on this clip, push on that clip, and pull this cover out. And again, it's still jamming over there. So now that's out. And now we pull the filter. So this one actually isn't bad at all. Probably the most cleanest filter I ever seen. But we'll replace with a new one. Right, here's the new filter, and I really like those filters that are saturated with carbon. So they kill the bacteria, keep the air fresh. So it's not just particulate filter, but also antibacterial filter. You need to make sure that the arrow's airflow is pointing down. You need to remove the plastic cover, and I will leave the link in the description to the video for the filter, so you can order it on Amazon. Much cheaper than buying locally. So next we will install this cover. So you can see there are two gears, so they just slide over on the left hand side. You need to push this in, make sure that the right hand side gets in the proper grooves over there. Press it here, press it at the top, make sure that this clip is engaged. And if you have a screw, install the screw. Next we will take our glove box, we will put it on the hinge, make sure that it's all the way in. If they are not all the way in, they will it won't close. So next we will install that dampener back, and you just align it and press it in. You put all the content back and you are done. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Please order the filter from the link below the video, and as always, just do it yourself.